Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Blackhole Splitter app. Alright, let's begin. First, Blackhole Splitter is a video downloading app designed to help you download Instagram videos quickly and easily in high quality. To get started, go to your app store and type Blackhole Splitter. You will see the app in the results. It has a high rating and is small in size, so downloading is quick and simple. Once the app is installed, open it and grant the necessary permissions it asks for. Next, find the Instagram video you want to download. Copy its link, then open Blackhole Splitter again. Paste the copied link into the app. On the screen, you will see three options. It is very important to select the middle option. The upper and lower options do different tasks, but the middle one is what lets you download videos directly. After selecting it, your video will start downloading. Once the download finishes, you can find your videos saved directly in your iPhone's Photos app. This makes it easy to view or share your downloaded videos anytime. So that's basically how you can use Blackhole Splitter app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.